Hello students, I'm Shashi Sharma from SS English Learning Center. Today I have come up with the summary of lesson Albert Einstein at School for the students of class 11th. It is written by Patrick Pringle. Now the story starts that when the history teacher was taking the class, he asked some question from Albert Einstein to tell about the date of a particular war. He says, I don't know. And then again he asked, but I had already taught in the class. Then he said, it is not necessary to remember the dates. More important is to remember what it had brought. What was the effect of that? The teacher got angry. He got irritated by his behavior in the history classes, and he complained it to the headmaster also. And that day he did not, after the school, he did not like, because he had to come to the school next day. But on the other side, he was living in the poorest condition. He was living in a small room, and where the landlady used to beat her children, and the children used to cry a lot. And on Saturday, her husband used to come drunk at home, and he used to beat the wife. And lot of noise was there, which irritated Albert Einstein. But he used to play violin because he was fond of that, and he thought that the music comforts him. And after a few days, his cousin sister Elsa came, and she said, you should try to learn the things, and you will be able to pass your exams. He says, I don't want to understand what the teachers are telling me. So that to pass the exam is not that difficult. After that, after 6 months, he met Yuri, who became his fast friend. He was also at the same type of person, and there he discussed with him that he doesn't like to come to school, and he wanted to take leave from the school on the pretext that he is having a nervous breakdown. But for that he had to need the medical certificate. Yuri said, I know a doctor, you can go to him, but you have to be truthful to him. You have to explain that you want to leave. You don't have a nervous breakdown, but you want to take a leave. And he goes there, and he meets Dr. Ernest Will, and he gave him the certificate. After that, he came to school. He thought that he will give this to the headmaster and will get relieved for 6 months. But it was surprise to him that the headmaster called him and gave him the dismiss letter, and he says, you can leave the school right now. He got angry, and then he thought that it was useless to do so much hard work for getting the medical certificate. He came out because he did not like the school. He wanted to tell them that why he hate the school, why he hate the teacher, but he wanted to get admission in some other university, and for that too in mathematics. So his math teacher, Mr. Koch, he knew him, and he could understand him. So he gave him a very good letter which could help him in getting the admission over there. So while he was coming from there, he looked inside the school. He wanted to talk to Yuri. He just spoke to Yuri, and after that he left the school. And with that, the story ends. So you please read this story thoroughly. Thank you.